Good morning, friends and viewers. Thanks for the previous steps. I hope that you have watched all my steps in 8D concepts. So, just for remember or to refresh, I just want to discuss all the steps for step number 8 also before going to see the step number 4 also, 8 also. So whenever you problem discovered, we have 8 steps to solve the problem on 8D analysis. Number 1, initiate project team. Number 2, define the problem. Number 3, implement containment action. And number 5, identify the root causes of the problem. And number 5, develop and verify solutions. And 6, implement corrective action. And step number 7, prevent problem recurrence. And today or this session we are going to see recognize project team. So whenever the problem solved or come to an end, you should appreciate the project team. That will be the 8th step in 8D analysis. And recognize the team will have an objective to recognize all the team members for their individual and collective efforts and develop a climate for ongoing improvements. Okay, and what are the supporting concepts and methods that we needed for this step number 8? Employee involvement, participative management, and interpersonal communication skills. So these are the supporting concepts and methods used for appreciating the team. Or the next step is recognizing the team. If the recognition is not given, team members are less willing to participate and are likely to become discouraged. So recognition and feedback is the most effective method available to shape the behavior of the employee. Okay, and we have to motivate the employee whenever and wherever possible. You can get what you expect when you are motivated. Be specific on facts of each individual's input, and sincerely in both public and private recognition is required to make it acceptable to the recipient. If you don't believe it, the team member won't either. So congratulate your team wherever it is possible and recognize the team collective efforts, both past and present, in solving the problem, and show appreciation for individual contribution. Team members are of the best position to begin this process. People respond favorably to sincere, thoughtful recognition, and recognition makes people feel good about themselves, their achievements, and their organization that took the time to acknowledge them. And recognition provides every positive reactions for team members to participate in future efforts. Form of recognition: there are different forms of recognition. Top management letter, so you should appreciate, deliver at home, family, or post on bulletin board in the work area, co-workers can see, and place in personal file in management, right? And performance review includes a major contribution plaque for outstanding contribution you can give, personal and specific to problem solved. And recognition needs can differ greatly from person to person. And I hope that these are all the steps for the recognition project team. Hope you can understood everything, all the 8 steps of 8D analysis. If you have any queries, you can call me. Just my WhatsApp number is 9443278181, and my email is jganeshresearch@gmail.com. I thank all the viewers and members for you are watching, and I hope that you can subscribe. And the next topic which I want to discuss is the NAC process for an engineering college. Hope you can enjoy. Thank you.